Hello there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darcy. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darcy and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. Last week you saw me clean and organize our pantry for fall, and today I'm going to be cleaning and organizing the refrigerator. If you like organizational videos, please, I'd love for you to consider subscribing to this channel for more organizational videos. Let's get started. Let's get into the kitchen and do some organizing, cleaning of course first, of this refrigerator. Come with me. Welcome to our kitchen. The first thing I'm going to be doing today is to take everything out the refrigerator and put it on this island here, and then clean the refrigerator with some soapy water. So I've emptied these shelves, I've wiped down the area, and now I'm going to repack some of the items here in the refrigerator. It's all nice and clean in this area. I find that a hot summer day is really a good time to clean or deep clean the refrigerator, because I can take everything out, all of the Lazy Susans here, wash them, all the containers, wash them, dry them in the sun, and then put them back in the refrigerator. So we'll do that in just a few more minutes, but here they are on this island outside on the barbecue, all clean, ready for the refrigerator. So let's take them back inside. These are the containers that I have washed, and now I'm ready to repack the items back in the refrigerator. All the Lazy Susan and these containers here as well. This is what our refrigerator looks like after it's been cleaned and organized. Let's take a look inside. These are mostly the breakfast items here. At the very top we have the bread. Here we have eggs and fruits. Then here we have more veggie and hemp hearts. Anything that we use for breakfast, coconut milk as well, is kept here. And then we have the fruits and vegetables. Veggie in these two end drawers and the fruits in the middle here. Now, at the very bottom here, we have the slide and serve drawer that has all the food prep and leftover items that are kept here. So on this side of the door, we have the salad dressing and maple syrup here, kept on this side of the refrigerator. Let's take a look at the other side of the refrigerator. This small side of the refrigerator has more breakfast items. We have the milk, we have orange juice, and of course we have coconut water at the top. We also keep eggs that are already boiled, are kept here at the very bottom of this side of the refrigerator. If you notice in the refrigerator here, I keep quite a few Lazy Susans. And even on the outside refrigerator in the garage, I do have Lazy Susans. This is where I would keep the drinks in the Lazy Susan. And also the orange juice and milk are kept like this in the refrigerator for easy access. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like organizational videos. Until next week, take care, and I'll see you in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.